Welcome! If you've ever shared a reel from Facebook to Instagram and wondered where it went, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to find all the Instagram reels you've shared from Facebook using the latest Instagram update. It's quick, easy, and you'll never lose track of your shared content again. Let's get started. First, open up your Instagram app and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, look to the top right corner and tap on the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. A menu will slide out with several options. From here, tap on Your Activity. This section is like your personal activity hub, showing everything you've done on Instagram, from likes to comments and everything in between. Now, scroll down until you see the section labeled Content You Shared. Under this section, tap on Reels. This is where Instagram keeps a record of all the reels you've shared, making it super easy to find what you're looking for. Here's the magic step. At the top of the Reels section, you'll see a filter called Shared from Facebook. Tap on this filter. Instantly, Instagram will show you only the reels that you've shared from your Facebook account. No more endless scrolling or guessing which reel came from where. Everything is neatly organized for you. And that's it. In just a few taps, you can see all the Instagram reels you've shared from Facebook. This feature is perfect for keeping your content organized and making sure you never lose track of your cross-posted reels. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more up-to-date social media tips. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.